An electric switch is the most commonly found electrical device in our homes. A switch is an electrical component that can interrupt the electric current in an electrical circuit. A switch has two positions, on and off, or closed or open. When switch is in off or open position, current cannot flow through the circuit. When we close the switch and it is in on position, now the current can flow through the circuit. Let's take a look at a commonly found switch in our homes and household equipments. Inside the switch, we see two metal contacts on either side. A wire is screwed on both of them. Another wire just passed through the switch. The left metal contact on the left has a movable contact in between them. It can tilt in either direction. There is a plastic billet that resides on top of the movable contact. There is a spring in plastic billet that keeps the button in one place. Let's see how it works. Right now, the button is in off state and movable contact is not touching the metal contact on the right side. Now, if we press the button and try to turn it on, then we can see that the spring is pressed as the button cannot move up, so it presses the spring. The plastic billet pushes the movable contact, which tilts it on the other side. The movable contact then touches the other contacts. Now, the current can flow through the contacts, and the switch is in on state. The spring keeps everything in place here. By pushing it in the opposite direction, we can again turn the switch off. Thank you guys. If you enjoyed the video, please like the video. This channel is fairly new and needs your love and support. Thank you.